Hey guys, so Wally from NASCAR today, and today we are gonna do something spooky. A little bit different, but today I am with Caitlin, Morgan, and hello me. But today we are gonna go adventure this really spooky trailer that's about in half of our track that we have. So we are gonna go adventure it. It is really spooky.
Okay, and
let's just see what happens. Okay. So we are gonna go to the trailer and we will be right back once we are near there. So guys, we are over here near the trailer.
there.
Yeah, and it already looks really scary, but we're just gonna go for it.
Look.
We got big rocks just in case something
Yeah, I
happens.
have a huge one. Y'all can see that.
Yeah, I don't have one because I have my phone. Now I'm gonna be careful. Okay, guys, so there is the trailer right there. It is really scary. I can't really see if y'all guys can see if there's something wrong with my phone. But yeah, that is the trailer. Really spooky. Don't like it.
Okay, so I'm gonna walk in front.
And there's like a bridge there, so like, but I don't understand why they didn't clean up this truck. Like, come on.
It's not really a trailer. It's
Okay, that's the kids. That's the kids.
it's
We
not
were good. We got scared.
guys. It's not really a trailer. It's actually kind of a storage room.
Yeah. Okay, let's just go in, guys. Okay, these branches hurt, so if we want to run, it's gonna hurt.
Is somebody going in?
No. There it is, guys.
Okay, I'm gonna be
I
the
don't
brave.
like this.
I'm gonna be the brave one and go in.
What the? You're gonna freaking go in. Look at that. That looks like tragedy happened.
Hello.
This is a really long truck.
Hey.
Oh my
Hello.
gosh. Oh no.
Oh look, honeysuckles.
I feel like I should go in for the video.
There's a honeysuckle. Where?
They're dead. If I go in, can y'all guys come with me?
No. Oh my goodness.
She moved something. She kicked something. But I don't want to go. I'm not going in. Okay. I don't like this. Morgan, stop making those noise. Stop making that noise, please. Caitlin's back there, a little scared. Oh gosh. There's a lot of water bottle makers. I can't say it right. Oh, I need to turn my flash on. Okay. I'm scared.
LOL, come here. You're gonna freaking scream. Look.
No, there's a lot of wasp in there.
No, it's a freaking
Caitlin! She ran! Oh,
freaking frog in here.
freaking frog! Oh, I want to see the frog.
Come here.
I want to see the frog.
It's a live frog.
I don't know if y'all guys can see that, but there's a wasp nest. Where's the frog? Whoa, there's the frog!
And it's big too.
Oh, hello, but no, it kind of looks fake.
No, it's alive.
Uh-oh!
Anyways.
Please don't jump at us, sir. Okay, oh my god. I feel like we should go in. Caitlin's gone. She's non-existent. There's the boys over there. Hopefully they don't see us. Oh god.
It's a freaking frog right here and it's alive.
Should we go in? I'm feeling confident right now.
Okay, why don't you go in?
You go in with me. Okay, come on. I'm feeling confident.
Go on, I'm in.
There's bees right there though, and they're staring at us. I would go in, but there's freaking bees staring at us.
And it's a freaking frog right here. Caitlin, it's a freaking frog.
Okay, Caitlin came back. Okay, we are feeling confident. Like, we're actually not getting bad vibes this time.
No,
But there's a freaking beast, like, staring at us.
And there's
What?
a frog in there. There's
A beast. No bees.
Wasp.
They're, like, staring at us.
Wasp. And there's a frog in there. And
Yeah.
it's alive.
It is weird.
What do you want to do now?
I want us to try to go in, but
Guys. I literally wanted to, like, pour water on the frog, but I didn't know. I didn't know what was going to happen. I wasn't going to pour it on his face because I don't want to die or anything. I was going to pour it on his, like, butt.
You were going to pour it on some butt. Okay, usually when we come over here, it's really creepy, but it's not really being creepy this time.
I want to watch it.
So that makes me feel like nervous, but also kind of happy. Like nervous, but also kind of glad.
Cameron, should I pour water on his butt?
I thought I just saw something. What? What'd you see? Like something black. Did I catch that on camera? No. Did I catch that on camera?
Guys, should I pour water on his butt?
No. Oh my God, I think we're about to die. Where'd you see it? Like over there.
This frog is alive.
Oh my God. Wait, look at it as a glass pet. wait, what?
Somebody walking in the grass.
No.
Yes.
Caitlin, you're just imagining.
No,
I didn't hear anybody walking in the grass. No.
Okay, everybody shut up.
This is like a 3 a.m. video, but during the day.
I just heard Twig snap.
Stop.
No, I didn't.
No, it was going so good so far.
Oh my gosh, no. Oh my goodness. I heard Twig snap.
I didn't.
Like over that way.
Over that way? I don't see anything. Oh God.
Guys.
Morgan wants us to go close to the grass.
And
And that's where all the creepy stuff happens.
for the
For the views?
No.
No.
And if people say this is fake, then that's stupid because this is real.
Yeah, I'm not going in there.
I'm
No!
What?
Oh, I see everything moving. I think I'm just getting scared. We're gonna walk back.
Backward.
Okay,
No, I'm not walking back to it.
let's just slowly walk, see what is happening.
What?
Did y'all just hear that?
What'd you hear?
Did y'all just hear that?
What'd you hear?
Somebody screaming.
What'd you hear?
Somebody screaming.
I just heard something.
Okay, I'm gonna turn the camera. I'm gonna turn the camera.
Again, if you die, this is gonna be the end of my life. If you die, I'm gonna miss you. I'm not letting you go. I'm not letting you go.
Oh, touching frame moment. Oh, it's getting brighter. And no.
loves me.
No.
Guys, she loves me.
Guys, no. Oh gosh. Okay. Well, that was scary. I don't know if y'all
don't end the video just in case something dramatic happens. What did I just hear? No.
If Cameron,
No,
wait, is
no.
what? Wait, is it?
No,
Guys, if,
stop.
guys,
Stop.
No.
Everybody just be quiet right now. I want to catch this on camera.
I literally heard somebody walking. I literally freaking heard somebody walking.
Why did you do that?
I freaking heard somebody
Why is she doing that?
walking.
Okay,
guys, we just heard somebody say LOL's name. No lie.
Yeah, okay, sorry, I can't say my name. I think I'm just gonna make that a special for like a subscriber special, but I'm just not gonna say my name.
So every time she deletes a clip, it has her name in it.
So yeah, sorry if the clips seem out of order.
No, please no. You see the concession stand right there?
Mhm.
I saw something go like this and then went back.
Maybe that's just somebody out there. I mean, there is some people out here. I'm hearing a chainsaw. Is that just somebody? Okay, good. Well, what? By the last time we went over here, by the time I went there, I started feeling like somebody was chasing me, and I started running. Usually I don't run. That's like just not
Look,
me.
guys, look.
Y'all don't hear that? Do y'all not hear that?
No.
That's them, but I hear it.
Okay, we're getting close to the area where I felt like somebody was walking towards me.
There's somebody watching us.
Look at the poop.
It's just this place is like kind of creepy. It gives you that vibe. Oh, the birds. They're chirping. They're making me feel better.
Not me.
This is the area where I felt like somebody was walking. Let's go towards this way, maybe. Let's go towards this way. Maybe that will help us.
Yeah, we're not allowed to go that way.
Oh, okay. Let's go back. Come on. Me and Morgan are going back. Caitlin's too scared to, so me
If LOL dies, I'm letting her die.
okay, Caitlin has decided to come.
Y'all, if you get me killed, I'm gonna kill both of you.
We're not gonna die. I mean, it might seem sketchy, but we're not gonna die. So, yeah. I might need to stop recording, or the video is gonna be extremely long, and I'm gonna do one of those things where I don't want to post it because it's so long, it'll take forever. But I kind of want to catch everything on camera. So, gosh.
I have to get her feeling it.
Oh, it smells like cow poop.
Ew.
Wait, how is cow poop even here? What? Okay.
I don't know when she's going to this video. I just said I don't know.
Okay, so we are going back to it, and it is right there. Don't know if y'all guys can see it. For once again.
Wait, y'all.
Okay, you scared me. Okay, here it is. Gonna flip over the camera. Boop. No! Don't leave me. Okay, well they just freaking left me. Okay, I kind of feel like they planned that because, like, honestly, they were kind of laughing and talking to each other. So, yeah. I'm just gonna walk back towards them. And, yeah. To be honest, today was like kind of a good day. You know, this creepy place did not give me bad vibes. So, that's cool. Nothing really bad's happened, so. Okay. Well, y'all guys ran without me. You saw a clown.
Oh my gosh.
That was the worst acting in the world. There's nothing there. Come on. Okay, well, there's nothing there, and they're being weird. Okay, now I'm starting to hear something.
It's not me.
Guys, I feel like somebody's following me! Run! No! God! This is... Oh, I don't like this. No! Okay, I don't feel like somebody's following me anymore. Okay, Caitlin's saying that she's seeing something out there. Ew. It's all mushy. Oh gosh. So guys, we're over here. Morgan's like over there. Yeah. So I'm sorry. I feel somebody like touching my back. I feel somebody touching my back. No. Do you feel somebody?